Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that has taken the world by storm since its creation in 2009. Many people have made fortunes with Bitcoin, and in this video, we will explore some of the most common ways you can potentially make money with Bitcoin. Method 1. Trading. The first way to make money with Bitcoin is through trading. Trading involves buying and selling Bitcoin on cryptocurrency exchanges. The goal is to buy low and sell high, making a profit in the process. Trading requires knowledge of market trends, technical analysis, and the ability to make quick decisions. When trading Bitcoin, it's important to have a strategy in place. You should decide on the amount of money you're willing to risk and set a stop loss to minimize potential losses. Additionally, it's important to keep an eye on news and events that could impact Bitcoin's price. Method 2. Mining. The second way to potentially make money with Bitcoin is through mining. Bitcoin mining involves using specialized computers to solve complex mathematical equations and earn new Bitcoins as a reward. However, mining can be expensive due to the high cost of electricity and equipment. Mining can be done in two ways: solo mining and pool mining. Solo mining involves setting up your own mining rig and attempting to solve blocks on your own. Pool mining involves joining a group of miners to solve blocks together and share the rewards. Method 3. Investing. The third way to make money with Bitcoin is through investing. Many people choose to invest in Bitcoin for the long term, believing that its value will continue to increase over time. This strategy requires patience and a willingness to hold onto Bitcoin for a significant period of time. Investing in Bitcoin can be done through buying and holding Bitcoin directly, or through investing in Bitcoin-related companies or funds. It's important to remember that Bitcoin is a highly volatile asset, so it's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose. Method 4. Accepting media interest in Bitcoin. The fourth way to potentially make money with Bitcoin is by accepting payments in Bitcoin. If you have a business or provide services, you can accept Bitcoin as payment. This allows you to potentially profit from the appreciation in Bitcoin's value over time. There are several ways to accept Bitcoin payments, including setting up a Bitcoin wallet, using a payment processor such as BitPay, or integrating Bitcoin into your e-commerce platform. Method 5. Staking. The fifth way to make money with Bitcoin is through staking. Some cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, offer a staking mechanism that allows holders to earn rewards for holding and validating transactions on the network. Staking requires you to hold a certain amount of Bitcoin in a designated wallet for a certain period of time. The longer you hold your Bitcoin, the more rewards you can potentially earn. Method 6. Arbitrage. The sixth way to potentially make money with Bitcoin is through arbitrage. Arbitrage involves taking advantage of price differences between different cryptocurrency exchanges. This strategy can be risky and requires quick action to capitalize on price discrepancies. To successfully arbitrage Bitcoin, you need to be able to quickly transfer Bitcoin between exchanges and take advantage of price differences before they disappear. In conclusion, there are many ways to potentially make money with Bitcoin, including trading, mining, investing, accepting payments, staking, and arbitrage. However, it's important to approach any investment in Bitcoin with caution and to do your own research to understand the risks involved. Thank you for watching this video on how to make money with Bitcoin.